So we found a baby bird that I've been looking after for almost a week. She's in here. It's a robin, and we've been feeding her. She fell off the nest, and we've been feeding her cooked rice, and Lorlin has been trying to find worms, looking for worms to feed her. So we just gave her a centipede. Now we're finding some more worms, digging up.
You need a worm?
Now that we're looking for worms, we can't find any. Snowball, come here. Snowball.
Come here, Nika. We keep looking for, keep taking up, and the worm keep coming.
Okay.
Need to go buy a bird seed.
Yeah, but I think worm is meat is their favorite. Sit. Show the thing. See, we got another one of these. I've been picking up these insects and we're giving it to the birdie.
She's not gonna eat.
Come on, come on. Oops, fell outside.
I'm scared. Oh, there's flying now. Good job. Good job. Snowball now.
Snowball, back up.
There's the bird at Daddy's hand. Oh, you can fly now.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
No, just a moment. Yeah, for that side.
That's the one that she said, no, I'm done.
Okay, go get it. So we are feeding it rice. For some reason she likes mommy better than me.
Oh. Ouch. Yeah.
Snowball is crying. How about water?
Oh no. No more? Ah, your beak is so sharp, dude.
Is it?
Good girl. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey, birdie. The heck? She's getting ready. Soon she's gonna fly. That's the first time I've seen her climb up in here. There. You see? Come on. Good job.
I saw a worm in. So this morning when I opened the cover and tried to feed the bird, our baby, she looked like she was ready to take flight. So I encouraged her to go on the grass, and we're gonna watch her and see how the parents are, if she's still there. I went to get the camera and see if the parents will come and look after her. She is still sitting on the grass all by herself. Right there. That's my baby. So let's see if anybody will come. Any other birds?